Welcome to this quick all levels practice designed to help us build strength, balance, and of course, flexibility. Let's begin in a tabletop position. Shoulders stacked over the wrists, hips stacked over the knees. So we'll take a few rounds of cat and cow together. On an inhale, lower the belly, gaze forward, cow pose. Exhale, cat, press the ground away, round spine. Inhale, cow, belly lowers, gaze up. Exhale, cat, round spine, tuck the chin. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Come back to a neutral tabletop and we'll begin to draw the ribs in a circle. So lower the ribs, pull them over to the left, up towards the right and down again. And take this at your own pace, going however slow or however fast feels good in your body this morning. Switch directions of your circle. And come back into a neutral tabletop position. Extend your right leg out long behind you. Left arm reaches up, reaches forward. On an inhale, find length. Exhale, bring your knee to elbow. Inhale to re-extend. Exhale, crunch it in. Bring your knee to elbow. Inhale, reach, re-lengthen. Exhale, knee to elbow. Two more like this. Inhale, reach. Exhale, bring it in. Inhale, reach. Exhale, knee to elbow. Come back into a neutral tabletop. And other side. Left leg extends out long behind. Right arm reaches forward. Inhale to find a length. Exhale, bring knee to elbow. Inhale, reach. Exhale, bring it in. Inhale, reach. Exhale, knee to elbow. Two more like this. Inhale, find length. Exhale, bring knee to elbow. Last one. Inhale, reach, re-extend. Exhale, knee to elbow. Come back into a neutral tabletop position. Thread the needle. Left arm reaches up towards the sky. Gaze past the fingertips. Exhale. Thread a left arm underneath the right. Left temple, left shoulder might come down to the ground. Option to stay here or crawl your right hand towards top of mat. Bring right hand back underneath right shoulder. Unthread your left arm up. Place it back down, neutral tabletop. Thread the needle on the other side. Right arm reaches up towards sky. Gaze past the fingertips. On your exhale, thread your right arm underneath the left. Your right shoulder, right temple might come down to the ground. Option to stay here. Or crawl your left hand forward to get a little deeper in this twist. Crawl left hand back underneath left shoulder, unthread your right arm up towards sky, place it back down, coming into a neutral tabletop. Tuck your back toes, send the hips back, downward facing dog. Pedal out your feet, bend one knee, straighten the other leg, and switch it out a few times. Shake out your head, yes, no, release any tension into shoulders. Inhale to shift forward into a plank pose. Lower the knees all the way down to the ground. Untuck your toes and slowly lower all the way down to the belly. Hands plant underneath your shoulders. Inhale, come up into a cobra pose. Head, neck, shoulders lift up. Inhale to lift a little higher. Exhale, forehead rests down onto your pillow hands. Bend the knees, drop your feet from left to right. Extend your legs out long behind you, shoulders on top of the palms. Cobra pose. Inhale, back bend, lift the head, neck, shoulders up and off the ground. Inhale, come up a little higher. Exhale, forehead rest down on your pillow hands. Bend the knees, windshield wiper out the legs. Legs extend out long behind you. Press palms down to the ground. child's pose. Knees can be wide or together, whichever feels good in your body today. Let your belly rest on your thighs. Forehead comes down to the ground. Arms reach towards top of mat. Slowly crawl your hands over to the right side. Left hand plants on top of right. Send your breath to your left side ribs. Crawl your hands through center towards the left side. Right hand plants on top of left. Send your breath into your right side ribs. Crawl your hands back to center. Press yourself up into a tabletop position. Tuck your back toes. Send the hips back. Downward facing dog. Inhale to come up to your tiptoes, look towards top of mat. Take baby steps all the way up to the top. And come down all the way into a comfortable, easy seat. Bring your legs wide. Flex the toes, engage through the quads. On an inhale, lift your arms up overhead. Find a length in your spine by reaching the crown up tall. On your exhale, hinge at the hips and lead with your chest. Forward fold over the legs. Inhale, torso rises back up. Find a length in the spine. Reach your left hand towards left foot. Side stretch on the right side body. Right arm reaches towards left foot. Inhale to come back to center, both arms up overhead. Right hand reaches for right foot. Side stretch on the left side body. Left hand reaches towards the right side. Inhale to come back to center. Bring soles of feet together. Hands clasp around your feet. Inhale, find a length in the spine. Exhale, fold over your butterfly legs. Options to press elbows into your legs to get a little deeper in this stretch. Inhale, torso rises back up. Cross the legs, place your right ankle next to your left knee. Right sit bone plants down into the ground. Option for some more space in the hips, you can extend your left leg out in front. On an inhale, reach the arms up, find length in the spine. Exhale, twist right. Left hand can hug the right knee to help you get a little deeper in this twist. Inhale to come back to center. Switch out the legs. Right knee bent. Left foot to the outside of right knee. Option to bring the right leg out long in front of you to find some more space in the hips. On an inhale, reach arms up high, find a length in the spine, crown reaches up. Exhale, twist to the left. Right arm can hug the left knee to help get a little deeper in this twist. And inhale, come back to center. Find a comfortable, easy seat. Legs can be crisscrossed or kneeling over the legs, whichever is feeling good in your body this morning. Feel your sit bones ground down into the earth. Shoulders stacked tall over the hips. Crown reaches up. Tuck the chin a tiny bit to help you find length in the spine. Palms face down, resting on knees or thighs. Send a soft gaze down past tip of nose. If it feels comfortable, close the eyes. we'll take 3 rounds of breath together to close out our practice. First, open mouth, exhale all the air out. Big breath in, fill up through belly. Exhale, open mouth, sigh. Big breath in, fill up. Exhale, release. Big breath in, fill up through the belly. Exhale, let it all go. Gently flutter the eyes open. Take a moment to check in with how you're feeling in your body after some intentional breath and movement. I hope you found some more energy to help you get started with the rest of your day. Great work today. Thank you so much for sharing your time and energy with me, and I'll see you in the next class.